Okay, so as you've seen, my car is officially a mess. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna see if this bucket of chemical guys can do the trick. Now you can get this bucket at Walmart right now for $39.99, and what actually is kind of cool is if you can see on this bucket, it includes a hat at apparently an $18.99 value. So let's figure out, is this really a $39.99 value? Okay, so we have our bucket here. It's actually a nice bucket. Now, whether you like chemical guys or not, I think that we can all agree that they have pretty legit buckets. Their buckets are nice. I know a lot of people who have these buckets, they work, they look cool, they have a nice lid on the top of them. And this lid is very sturdy. It's sturdy enough to sit, which is very nice. Everybody likes a bucket that you can actually sit on. So right away, just for the bucket purpose, now I would never spend $40 on a bucket, right? But already I'm liking what I see before I even get into it. So let's keep going. So as we take off that bucket lid, the first thing I see is a dirt trapper, right? So this is the thing that you're gonna put at the bottom of the bucket to trap all that dirt so that you're not bringing it back onto your car when you are doing the contact wash. Oh, and here we go. Here's the hat. And actually, guys, that's not a bad looking hat. Like, I'm actually kind of excited for that one. Okay, what else does this come with? It comes with a Chemical Guys chenille wash mitt. Now, I haven't opened it. I haven't opened it, but let's open it. Let's see how she feels. If I can get into this. What's supposed to be... Okay, I could have done that all along. Okay, so here's what the wash mitt looks like. You guys, actually, it feels really good. I honestly expected it to not feel good, maybe. That feels nice. Now, I don't usually use chenille wash mitts, but I actually think I'm gonna enjoy, trying to experience this today. I know a lot of people who do, so that's actually a very nice mitt. And actually, it's not too big. A lot of mitts are so huge. This one, even I have really small hands, you guys, and this one actually, I'm quite thrilled to use this today. Okay, so next it comes with 3 chemicals. So let's figure out what these chemicals are. If I can. They always package everything so nice and tight. All right, so the first thing we have is a Diablo wheel cleaner. So this easily lifts brake dust and grime. Rapid clean, clinging gel formula, pH to balance, non-acid wheel cleaner. So again, for the wheel and tire, for all wheel types. Now, I'll be honest with you, I haven't heard the best things about Diablo. I've never used it, so we'll give it a try today and see, what she does. The next thing that it comes with is Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Wash. Now, I have heard a lot about Mr. Pink. I've never used Mr. Pink. I have used Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, which I actually kind of like, but I have not used this soap yet. Perfect for maintenance washes, gently glides dirt and grime away, rinses clean without streaks. We'll see. It is not a hot day today. It is sunny outside, but it's only in the 60s. So we'll see how she does. It says, add 1 to 2 ounces of Mr. Pink Chemical Guys foam to a cannon or a foam gun. So we will try that today, 1 to 2 ounces, and then we will put some in the bucket for our contact wash. So the next thing that we have in here is a total interior cleaner and protectant. I have not used this before. This says that it's good for dash, glass, navigation, and more. So that's actually kind of nice to have an all-in-one interior cleaner, especially for those navigation screens. Those are such sensitive areas, the piano black. So this actually doesn't sound like a bad product. I don't know that we'll test it today, as I might just be working on the exterior, but we'll see if we get there. If not, I'll have to do another video on that. Dashboard glass, leather, and vinyl as well. So again, a total cleaner. So you guys, for 40 bucks, for an interior cleaner, that's an all-in-one that will clean everything. For a wheel and tire cleaner, for a soap, a mitt, a dirt trapper, and a hat. I mean, for 40 bucks, I say she's a steal. But let's put her to the test. Let's put all of these chemicals on this car and let's see if we can clean this dirt, because if you saw it, y'all know it's a mess. Here we go. On true Chemical Guys fashion, I tried on the hat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat the car. I do have a lot of bug guts and things. I'm a little skeptical. I'm not sure that Mr. Pink here is going to, you know, get any of that really removed, but I am going to do a pre-treat. I'll leave it on for about 5 minutes because it is not hot out here. It's a nice day. It says no streaking. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. So if you look at the foam, I mean, it's okay. It's clinging to the car pretty well. But it is in a stage 5 clinger. You know what I mean? Now you can tell with this side, you see how much has already fallen off the paint. So in the summertime, you definitely can't let it sit too long, you know, or else the sun's gonna beat down on those panels. Now again, it is warm outside, but it's not hot. But yeah, if you see that. So it's foamy, don't get me wrong, but unless you're going over that car multiple times, it's not a clinger. We'll see if it cleans, but definitely not a clinger. Let's come over here so you could see that I have this on the car here. Now it is loosening that up. So that's a good thing. See up here? I mean, it is loosening it up. We'll see once we, but look at this side, guys. I mean, completely dry. Now this is my car. I would have totally rinsed. You can see this car. It's about 4 minutes. It's completely dry. There's no soap left on it. Definitely streaking. Hopefully that'll come off with a rinse and then we still have a contact. So here is our bucket. It's a 4.5 gallon bucket. I filled it about, you know, with 4 gallons. I will tell you that already when I'm filling the soap, it's not the slickest. I have felt much slicker soap, and I like to feel a slick soap in my hands and my fingers. All right. Definitely doesn't feel slick on the car. I said it wasn't hot out here, but yeah, it's a little hot. So you guys, the experience, it was okay. It didn't blow me away. The soap is not slick at all, and you know, my car does have some protection on it. It's not coated, but I do have a spray sealant. So you know, usually you feel things just a little bit slicker. That felt like trash to me, I'm not gonna lie. Now, did it clean the car? Yeah, in some areas it did. So let's take a look. So I'm always most concerned with, you know, the hood and the grill of my car because I drive through such rural areas. You know, it did an okay job. The pressure washer probably did most of the work, but it didn't do a bad job. So in terms of like bug guts, I obviously needed a stronger pre-treat. It did okay. It did okay. I still have lots of bud guts here though. You know, if this was what you had to work with, it wouldn't be the worst thing. Okay, so I'm doing my wheels and tires last, which I normally wouldn't do. I would normally do those first, but because I'm just gonna use the same bucket, I decided to do them last so I didn't contaminate my paint. I'm using, again, the Diablo wheel and tire cleaner. So it just says that it's a sprayable wheel cleaner. It's quick and effective. It removes stubborn brake dust and dirt. It's pH balanced. It easily clings to the surface. So this one is supposed to be a stage 5 cleaner. We'll check it out. It is a gel-like substance. experience, which I'm not honestly too fond of. I do like the foamy wheel cleaners. The gel, they don't really, you know, it's hard to really get them evenly sprayed around the tire, at least in my experience. So we'll see how this works today. But again, it says it's for all wheels type, excuse me, all type of wheels. Goodness, you know what I mean, right? Anyway, so shake well, start by rinsing the surface we've already rinsed, spray onto surface and then use a brush to agitate and to scrub as needed depending on level of grime. Rinse with a sharp stream of water and follow by drying the surface. So super simple directions. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I'll show you my wheel. Now these wheels are total, I mean, they're trashed. So there's a lot of, you know, road rash on it and things, but they are dirty. So even though I foamed them with Mr. Pink, really didn't do much. If you look over here, big dirt. So we will see if this wheel cleaner does it any justice. Okay, so here we go with our wheel and tire cleaner. So it's definitely like a gel. It smells like bubble gum, which, to be honest, it's not like the worst smell. Now, I really don't like these sprayers. But it says it's a tire cleaner, so, but definitely smells like bubble gum. Not my favorite scent. Bubblegum gives me a headache in the summertime, like the smell of it. If it's that, you know, pink bubblegum. So, doesn't say anything about dwell time. So if you want to take a look. I don't know. Making a mess on the floor, that's for sure. Don't like that. Hopefully that washes away. It is clinging, so that is one thing I can say. Whether or not it's removing dirt, I'm not sure yet, but it's definitely clinging. It honestly didn't do like the worst job. Wheels aren't coated. I mean, not bad. What I want to do is I'm going to go over the tire one more time to see if we still get browning, just to see how well this cleans the tires. Here we go. I really hate the sprayers. Okay, again, this is just for the culture. This is just to see if we still get some browning. I don't know. Could this be a one-hitter quitter? Is Diablo wheel and tire cleaner an okay chemical that you can get very readily and easily for a pretty cheap price at Walmart? We're about to find out. Ready to see what she looks like? So recap, what do I think about the Chemical Guys kit here? To be honest, I mean, is it what I'm going to reach for every time I need a new soap. No, no. Is there better? Yes. But in a pinch, if I need something to wash my car, is it the worst? Absolutely not. The Mitt was actually quite pleasant to work with. You guys, Diablo, I wasn't really that mad at it. It cleaned the tires and the wheels. Not bad. Not bad. Can I say that? Not bad. It's really not bad. The soap, nah. The soap is no. In fact, I'll probably never use it again. Anybody want Mr. Pink? I'll give it to you. I'll ship it to you for free. It's not slick. It cleans, but not the way that I have seen soaps clean. Is it the worst product? No. Did not get to use the interior cleaner yet. I'll have to make another video about that, but this also comes with it, you know, again with the dirt trap, you guys, and then the bucket, $39.99, and you get this snazzy hat right here. I mean, I'm really digging the hat. If anything, like, this is what, you know, this is what really counts to me. But it's not a bad deal. 30 bucks, 40 bucks. Hey, I mean, again, look at that bucket. That's a nice bucket right there. You can't tell me it's not. Walmart didn't send me this kit. Does Walmart even do affiliates? I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you like this kind of content, you guys, please like, please subscribe, and catch me on the next one. Bye.